Hi my busy bees, this is Miss Olga, occupational therapist. Today we're going to do some drawing and coloring. What you need to get are crayons or markers, one medium-sized plate, and one piece of paper. Okay, let's start drawing. Mommy or daddy, draw 7 dots in the middle going up, starting from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay guys, let's look at the rainbow. What is the first color that comes in the rainbow? Red. This is red crayon. Red crayon will go on top of the rainbow. Take your plate, turn it upside down, and put it on your highest dot, like this. Do you see it? Go from side to side. Okay, let's look at the next color. Next color is orange. This is orange crayon. Move your plate down. You see the dot? Make a big curve. Let's look at the next color. What comes next? What's under orange? Yellow. This is yellow crayon. Move the plate down. Use your hand to hold it. This is your helper hand. And make a big curve. Good job. Next color is green. This is a green crayon. Green. Let's look at the next color. Next color is blue. This is blue crayon. Hold your plate down. 2 fingers on the pencil. 1, 2. And draw the big curve. Good job. We have one more color to go. What's the next color? Next color is violet. This is violet. Violet crayon. Okay, now we need to make 2 curves for violet. Okay, now we're ready to draw our rainbow. Let's start from the top. The first color on top is red. Get your red marker or red crayon out and let's color inside the picture. Color, 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 color. Color, 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 color the rainbow. Red is finished. Close your marker, put the cap on, put the marker on the table and push from the top until you hear a click. Next color is orange. Get your orange marker. Get your hands on the marker. and pull. Good job. Now we're going to color it. Color, 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 color your rainbow. You're doing great. Keep going. Move your fingers, not your hand. Only fingers. You can turn your paper to make it more comfortable. Hold your paper. Orange is finished. Take your cap, put it on the marker against the table and push down. Next color is yellow. Get your yellow. I'm going to do it with crayon now. Color, 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 color your rainbow. Now you can turn your page. Yellow is finished. What's the next color in the rainbow? Good job, it's green. Take your marker or crayon, open it, and let's color it green. Hold your paper down, helper hand, 2 fingers. Let's do it. All right, it's starting to look the same. Close, table, push. What's the next color? Next color is blue. Let's color. Now turn. Good job, guys. Blue is finished. Close your marker. Next color is violet. Get your crayon or a marker. Let's do violet. Start on one side. Hold your paper. 2 fingers on the marker. Move your fingers, not your arm. Turn paper. This helps me stay inside the picture if I trace it. Violet is finished. What else can we see in the sky when we see rainbow? We can see clouds. Let's draw clouds. Hold your paper. You can make an oval, or you can make something that looks like a potato. Like this. What else do you see in the sky? I see sun. Get yellow and draw the sun. Remember we did circles before. Color it round and round. Sun. The sun has sun rays. Let's draw 10 sun rays. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay guys, you can color your clouds. One more. Good job. Now let's label our pictures. We can label the sun. We can label the clouds. And we can label the rainbow. Let's look at the sun. What letter does sun start with? Listen to the sound. S, s. It starts with letter S. Can you draw S for sun? Okay, listen for this letter. K, k. Cloud starts with letter C. Can you write C for me? Let's listen to the rainbow sound. R, r. Letter R. Big line, little curve, and kick away, little line. Good job. Let's review. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet too. R for rainbow. C for clouds. S for sun. Good job coloring with me today, guys. I hope you did a good job waiting for pictures. Bye. See you next time.